I would say clarity of the purpose. Every company has a different purpose if it works on it, so it doesn't mean you don't borrow the purpose of the next company. It has to be really what you are and want to be at the core. Clear communication externally, and then have as a North Star to live up to the purpose, which does not mean that there are no mistakes. I think we all need to be very cognizant and always remember that executive teams and boards make decisions based on an incomplete set of data, information. So you do your best with what you know, and the more different point of views are in the room for a clear purpose, the better chance you have to take a good decision for the company. But it's never guaranteed, so it's always to be reinvented. So as if at least the purpose is clear, that gives you that North Star of compass that you need. The purpose is not necessarily something that you're going to talk about in everyday life of the company. But when things get tough, when you have really to arbitrate between very different things, when you have to make a tough choice, and this is the kind of choice that actually move up to the board, because they're strategic or they're complicated, they have lots of implications, then the purpose should be some kind of light that you need to have on your decision making, and make sure that you actually are true and faithful to that purpose. So just by making sure that when there is a difficult decision to make, that notion of purpose is put back on the table, and that the question is asked in a very sincere and humble way, because you can never be sure that you're going to do the right thing, but at least if a group of people called the executive team and a group of people called the board, having challenged each other, bring back the question of the purpose and feel deep that they're actually acting are faithful to that purpose, there is a better chance. By actually testing them against the purpose, by having the conversation, and if the purpose is clear, I suppose it's less difficult to know whether your strategic objectives are aligned with it or not. But if the purpose is really what is at your core, what you come back to in the end, then in the strategic discussion, they come first, and then the strategy comes second, and is also supposed to enable that purpose.